One more day, one more life, ladies and gentlemen. Just being the co-pilot today. Make no mistakes about it. This is India. India, the bias, the chaos, the mess, and of course, full of energy and exuberance. With children going to school in the morning, early morning, and the people running and rushing to the offices. Since everything is on the move, and there is energy, there's life everywhere. Otherwise, if you are in the US or the Europe in the morning, especially in the Nordic countries, which are having 6 months, night, and 6 months, 3 months, 6 months daytime, you just see where you feel dead and weeping life and weeping weather. Even in the England, United Kingdom, I have traveled all over the world. I know the nerves of China, Europe, Middle East, USA, and of course the Northern Europe, and of course the Russia, St. Petersburg, what and what not. But then there is energy here, there is life in India, and everybody is in the move, and so am I. Sanjay in the morning, being the co-pilot. But one thing I should tell you, that we need to have a very strong back, and this is back therapy also. This is back exercise. This is your spine exercise. You don't need any physiotherapy. No physiotherapy is needed. This is natural physiotherapy in the morning. Ladies and gentlemen, go green and go India.